I can explain. But hold on, because we gotta get some light up in here. Even though it looks good, but we need some more. But hold on. No, we need to take that. Get somebody else to do it. Come back. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna explain why I've been gone later. Cause get somebody else to do it. But yeah, so I just got off work. So I just got off work. It is, but it's 4:45. Why is not whatever? It's 4:45, and while I was at work, I was texting. You know who I was texting? If you don't know who I was texting, then you don't watch my videos. But I was texting Nisha, and I think we're going to the gym. So you know, this video. This is not really gonna be like something special. Oh yeah, y'all see my bag? Stop playing. Stop playing. So this video not gonna be anything special or nothing like that. Oh, mind y'all, I am. Did I leave my AirPod case in my? Oh, I guess somebody else to do it. But y'all, it's January 2nd. January 1st wasn't. Wasn't it? But so we went to the gym. Cramps on 10,000, 5 some. The cramps is on 10,000. But we're going to the gym. They got a Zumba class. They got oh, Nisha, she texted to me. Okay, so like they got a class today and a yoga class at 7. It's 4:47. So I'm gonna get ready, you know, wrap my hair up because I don't know if we're doing the Zumba or the yoga. But if we're doing the yoga class, I could bring my yoga mat. I can bring my yoga mat. Stop playing, because I can bring my yoga mat. Where's my other one? But oh. So yeah, hold on. Because I gotta call my friend. I haven't talked to my friend so long. That call was declined. Oh. That's fine. Get somebody else to do it then. Get somebody else to do it. Oh, okay. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all, alright? I'm not gonna do it. Guys, I'm walking the dog. Yeah, we're walking the dog. Before we leave, I probably should take her sweater off. So, look at her. She's so tiny and cute. Working too much. I'm not even gonna say too much because the money, the check, okay. But I've been working some crazy hours now. I don't have time for this. Look at her. She's trying to get to her. Like, that girl don't want to be your friend. Stop running if I don't let you go nowhere. Bro, she really pissing me off. Fendi. Hey. That's why she went in her house. Look, her little self. Bro. Go. Because look at you. You're being there too. Like, why are you being bad? Like, look at you, out of breath. She's so freaking tiny, but she's so fast. But yeah, I need to eat something before I go. You needy. Ready for a walk. Leave me alone. I just took you for a walk. Whew. Alright, Nisha still ain't texting me back. She still ain't texting me back. Oh, she said I'm about to leave. At 4:59, my ringer's off. Okay, y'all, you finna warm me up a pizza because you finna warm me up a pizza. We're gonna eat it. Gonna eat these 2 pieces. You good, brother? Alright. Anywho. So, While this warming up, we're gonna put our clothes on. I could go cute, or I could go a mess. So let's see if I want to go cute first. Let's see if I want to go cute first. So it's like a leotard. I'm gonna wear a leotard and some tights. Ugh. You know, nothing major. Leotard on. Let's see about the tights part. Look, should I go cute? Should I go cute? This is not cute at all. Well, actually it kind of is, you know, nothing major. Probably don't have it up that high, but I think I'm gonna make it to a crop top. I'm just gonna tuck it under. Yeah, I can't do that. But let's go see how I look in the mirror in the back. So this is how we're going. If I get to the gym and feel like I don't like it, I got backup clothes because I got backup clothes. Hoodie over it. We're gonna throw this hoodie over it. I might throw a shirt, the shirt that I have for this, like the black shirt I have, I might put it on and take this off and make it to the gym. I don't know, but for now, this is what we're rocking with. We're rocking with this. Sit here, eat the pizza, watch a little Law & Order. Yeah. It's not, bro. Bro. Don't get a dog. Get off me. Don't get, I'm sorry. That wasn't nice, but we finna, yeah, you already know. I already said it. Get on my face.
Flex your left foot, bring that knee in, turn over your shoulder. Take that left foot over. Hip, so if you're hip, that's okay. By the end of the year, you'll be more close to this. Or if you're flexible, stack some things.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know that's not as loud as it would be, but my alarm just went off. Y'all see that? Grind time. Yeah, I just be trying to get myself up in the morning, y'all. Nothing major. Okay, you can stop now. But so I'm not gonna do this vlog is like, I think it's gonna be like a week vlog because I didn't finish yesterday's vlog. But it's day 3 in the week vlog. It's January 3rd. Yeah. So yesterday I went to work. When I got off, I went to the gym. I'm gonna put a few clips in there from the lab. I went to yoga class for the first time. 10 out of 10. Would I go back? Probably. I would probably go back. Yeah, I know I look like, what the fuck. But y'all, trust me. Trust the process. Because when I go to work, I be looking like that girl. So yeah, y'all. It's about 9:05. About to be 9:10. I need to start doing some things, moving around. Because by 10 o'clock, I will actually start getting ready for work. So we finna go and yo, get this party started, get this party out of rolling. You feel me? 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 Oh, yeah. All right, come on, let's go. I'm sorry, camera, but y'all, come on, let's go. I cannot lay back down. If I lay back down, I don't know what's happening, but we finna go. Yeah, we finna go. Now. We finna go. Alright, y'all, so okay. So I made a to-do list last night. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But it says to-do list. It says wash clothes, clean kitchen, clean the bathroom, fold clothes, organize purse, write and journal, record today. I'm actually only going to get a few of those things done before I gotta start getting to work because it's 9:21. I lay back down, like, look at this. Ain't that a bummer? That's a bummer. So, we gonna put my clothes in the washing machine. We just gonna start putting my clothes in the washing machine. Okay, that's what we gonna start with. So, let's go do that and see how we feel after and see what else we wanna do. Okay? I like you, that was my alarm for 9:25. It's 9:25. So my 9:30 alarm is going off. Y'all, it's the freaking hair that takes me the longest part to get, like, when I get ready, because when I go to sleep, I don't twist it up. Like, you know, like last night I just fell asleep, I had a ponytail, and I had just detangled it that same one prom tour. So I'm about to just go put my head in the shower, honestly. This is gonna take me forever, so I don't come back when this is detangled. So the first side is detangled. I don't know how long it took me, so we're gonna time the other side. Okay, so it's 9:41. Let's see how long it takes me. Ready? Ready? Alright, y'all, so I'm done now. What time is it? It took me 3 minutes. It's 9:44. But y'all, I go into OT today at work. Yeah.